Crash Course on Austria. Music and Performing Arts. Welcome to Austria's harmonious world, where music and performing arts enchant the soul. From the classical masterpieces of Mozart and Beethoven to the lively folk traditions, Austria's cultural tapestry is rich and diverse. Let's immerse ourselves in the captivating melodies, inspiring concerts, and vibrant festivals that make Austria a haven for music and performing arts enthusiasts. Exciting stories. 1. The Sound of Music. This iconic movie, inspired by the true story of the von Trapp family, showcases the breathtaking landscapes of Austria and the power of music. 2. The Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra. Founded in 1842, this world-renowned orchestra performs at the famous Vienna Musikverein and contributes to Austria's esteemed musical heritage. 3. The Salzburg Festival, one of the world's most prestigious classical music festivals, held annually in Mozart's birthplace, Salzburg. Top 12 attractions of music and performing arts in Austria. 1. Vienna State Opera, Vienna, an opulent venue hosting world-class opera and ballet performances. 2. Salzburg Marionette Theatre, Salzburg, a unique experience of puppetry and storytelling for all ages. 3. Musikverein, Vienna, home to the Vienna Philharmonic, known for its superb acoustics. 4. Salzburg Festival, Salzburg, a month-long celebration of classical music and theater in various historic venues. 5. Vienna Philharmonic New Year's Concert, Vienna, a globally renowned New Year's tradition. 6. Vienna Boys Choir, Vienna, witness the angelic voices of the world-famous choir. 7. Bregenz Festival, Bregenz, an open-air festival featuring opera on a floating stage. 8. Hohensalzburg Castle Concerts, Salzburg, enjoy classical concerts with a stunning backdrop of the castle. 9. Schönbrunn Palace Concerts, Vienna, experience the royal ambience with classical music. 10. Mozart House Vienna, Vienna, explore the composer's former residence and learn about his life and works. 11. House of Music, Vienna, an interactive museum dedicated to sound and music. 12. Haydn House, Eisenstadt, visit the house where Joseph Haydn composed many of his renowned works. Summarizing this writing, Austria's music and performing arts scene resonates with the echoes of great composers and vibrant traditions. From the grand stages of Vienna to the enchanting festivals in Salzburg, this country embraces the magic of music and the allure of captivating performances. And now, a poem to celebrate the musical journey of Austria. In Austria's heart, a symphony plays. A dance of melodies that forever stays. From Mozart's touch to Beethoven's art, Austria's music captures every heart. Vienna's opera, a grand display. The ballet's grace, night and day. The Salzburg Festival, a timeless dream, where classical notes gracefully gleam. The Vienna Philharmonic, a legacy's heir. A chorus of talents, beyond compare. New Year's Concert, a global cheer. A musical journey into the new year. Puppetry whispers tales untold. Marionettes dance, a magic to behold. Bregenz's stage upon the lake. Opera's magic, ripples awake. In Hohensalzburg's ancient embrace. Concerts soar, touching every space. Schönbrunn Palace, a royal affair. Melodies float through the air. Mozart House, where genius thrives. House of Music, sound archives. Haydn House, history unfolds. Austria's music, a tale retold. So let us revel in Austria's art, where music and performances impart a symphony of moments to seize. In Austria's embrace, the soul finds peace. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.